Oh, let's start the innings. भूलिया जी आ जाओ जरा कमेंट्री करने के लिए.
अरे रहने दो मेरी कमेंट्री थोड़ी देर रहने दो.
So guys, we have started another inning of United 11 Dwarka with 7 players only, and this is first catch dropped and has gone for a 4, but not given.
पानी है क्या गीली हो रही है?
Kuldeep Kumar on strike, Rinku Sharma non-strike. Anish is bowling the first over for CB Royals. Excellent bowling. Given wide. Again good.
इसकी मत खेलो यार.
Good ball. Straight to the fielder. Another miss. Sagar Atri, next bowler for CB Royals. United 11 has scored 5 runs after 1 over for no loss. It has gone towards third man, a snake, and it's gone for 4. United 11 at 9 runs after 1.1 over. Another good ball from Sagar Atri.
ताला मार के बैठ जाएगा घर पे.
Another good ball. Kuldeep not able to connect the ball with bat. No run.
इसमें पता है इसमें खा जाएगा.
Fourth ball to Kuldeep Kumar. Again a good ball.
आराम से खेल ले अभी तो.
Kuldeep.
भाई न तो करना पूछानिया एड़े मारिए घड़ी दूर. ऐसा ना बोलो.
Good shot this time
ऐसे ही आराम से खेल ले.
for a 4 towards the deep square leg area. Sorry, deep point area.
बहुत लंबे लंबे छे मारता है. चल बड़ा है.
Last ball of the over and one more good ball. But it's been a good over for United and Dwarka. 8 runs coming out of that over. 13 for no loss after 2 overs. Very fine shot by Rinku Sharma this time towards third man area for a single. Now Kuldeep Kumar back on strike. Will be facing Anish, the ace bowler for CB Royals. Good shot, but straight to middle fielder for a single. Again good shot by Rinku Sharma this time. Should be a 4. Yes, no good save there by third man fielder. Sorry, fine leg fielder for a quick double. Good fielding.
बढ़िया फुटबॉल.
Good shot again, but straight to fielder. Oh, this was really a good ball. Beaten. Last ball and straight to fielder. No run. Sagar Atri bowling the second over, and this is good shot by Kuldeep Kumar and straight to the
बहुत बढ़िया.
deep mid wicket boundary for a 4. Again a good shot and again a 4. This time towards deep mid off. 2 balls, 2 fours. Again a good shot, but in the air this time. It will be taken. Yes, finally Kuldeep's batting innings comes to an end.
वो था
He has played some good shots.
हम खेल रहे थे दूसरी हम थे दोनों को करके यानी कि हमारे
20 runs of 12 balls with the help of 4 boundaries.
रोल क्या दो
Sagar Atri getting his first wicket, and this time also this could have been run out, but due to misfield it is a boundary. So 5 runs coming off this delivery.
चला फिर दोनों
Last ball of the over. Oh, sorry. Deep Malhotra
ओपन वाले काम करे थे तूने
facing his first ball and a quick single. Rinku Sharma playing with soft hands for a single. Fourth over finishes with 34 runs on board for the loss of 1 wicket.
वो जाइट मैच करो
Anish bowling his third over and it has gone for a single towards square leg area. Batsman wanted double, but Deep Malhotra sent him back. Oh, this is a good shot by Deep Malhotra for a quick boundary this time in the mid-wicket area. Deep is also an explosive batsman. Again, tried hard, but no connection of the bat with this ball. Anish Kumar, a good bowler for CB Royals, bowling his third over. Good shot this time, straight to extra cover boundary for a 4. Deep has been very quick in picking up this ball. No waiting this time. Again, good shot. Oh, this could have been dangerous had there been undirected, but gets a double with this fielding mistake. Keeper was not able to collect that ball. Last ball of the over from Anish to Deep Malhotra, and it has played in the air, direct to fielder at short mid wicket, and same result, out. Deep Malhotra out at an individual score of 11 runs after facing 5 balls with the help of 2 boundaries. Next batsman, Vikas Singh. The over opens with a boundary, this time by Rinku Sharma. Sagar Atri getting hit for a boundary on the very first ball of this. Some nice short inning by Deep Malhotra. 11 runs of just 5 balls with couple of boundaries. Rinku Sharma this time he was looking for a single, but it was straight to the fielder at the point. No run. Sagar Atri bowling his third ball of this over, and good ball. Rises to the chest level of Rinku Sharma. A nice defense. 49 runs after 5.3 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. 49. This time straight to fielder.
कितने प्लेयर अपने साथ फील्डिंग देंगे लोग
Misfield and a single for Rinku Sharma. Sagar Atri bowling last ball of the over. Batsman sent him back. "50 runs completed for United 11 Dwarka. A big cheer in 6th over. 50 run. Good ball. Vikas Singh completely beaten. So United 11 Dwarka has reached 50 runs after 6 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Vikas Singh, Rinku Sharma out in the field.
आउट हो ना हो
Next bowler Kuljit for CB Royals.
वो कैच
वो कैच पकड़ ली
तो बोल रहे फिर रिंकू ही होगा रिंकू की कैच नहीं पकड़ी आसान से ना
ना
किस्मत अपनी किस्मत ही खराब है मैं सही बता रहा हूँ जो नहीं होती वो कैच भी हो जाती है
एक्चुअली वो थोड़ा रुक के खेलता है
ये बॉलर है देख
Wide ball.
ये बॉलर बचे थे
टाइम पे आए
It seems
रोकना था
CB Royals has run out of the bowlers. So Kuljit starts with a wide ball. Okay, good ball. This time straight to batsman. Very slow. Good. Very slow ball. Wanted to hit a boundary at deep square leg.
बैटिंग के बाद अगर बारिश हो जाए तो क्या होगा
Good ball, straight, full length ball, and quick
बढ़िया running यार,
double
बढ़िया।
by Rinku Sharma. Good running.
आपकी बैटिंग के बाद
Oh, very slow ball. Couldn't reach the batsman. He waited and waited.
तो कोई टेम्परेरी बॉलर विकेट लगा
No ball this time. Very high on the face, and a single.
रिंकू तेज कभी आगे भी नहीं खेल पाता बता
And this time an easy boundary to Rinku Sharma. He has studied the bowler well now.
बैट से काम कर
Deep square leg boundary.
अरे बैट तो बिजी है
कौन सा
Great shot.
जिससे मैं खेलता हूँ
रिंकू की सब बैट ले गया नया लाया
Last ball of the over. And one more boundary. This time 6. Nice over for United and Dwarka. Almost 16 runs coming out of this over from Kuljit. Net 11 at 66 runs after 7 overs for the loss of 2 wickets.
विकेट नहीं है अपने पास opening
Captain has come out to bowl now, Daljit Singh.
इस वाले पिच पे तो बनते भी ऐसे ही हैं 200 200 आराम से धुआं तो
Vikas
सही
Singh
है,
on strike.
लग रहा है
And full length ball. This also goes for a boundary at deep square leg. An easy boundary for Vikas Singh,
विकास राम सर
taking the score to 70 runs after 7.1 over.
बोलने के बाद फिर ज़्यादा वो हो जाता है
Full length ball this time.
ट्रिपल
And
करो
it's
ट्रिपल है
played between backward point area for a single.
भाग ले
And
अरे
this
भाग
is misfield, but
ऐसे
batsman
कैसे डेड होता है यार ऐसे नहीं होता रिंकू से बैठे तो रुक जाए
played with a soft hand
ऊपर की
short mid wicket area for a single.
70 हो गए
72 runs after 7.3 overs. Again, a very slow ball. This time wide towards the
दीप भाई
leg side.
पछतावा है
वो ही लेता
Again, looking for a single, but Rinku Sharma sent him back.
टेस्ट मैच खेलो आराम से। टेस्ट मैच कराओ टेस्ट मैच खेलेंगे टुक टुक पूरा देखेंगे कितना डट के खेल सकते हैं।
Quick boundary this time for Vikas Singh.
खेला था उसके बाद से बैटिंग
Again in the square leg area.
पहली बार बैटिंग उसी में हुई थी ना।
रिचार्ज घन इतने बना दो कि इन्हें जरूरत ही ना पड़े फील्डर की। अगले मार छिक लेने में भाई अंदर जी
वो अंदर ही तो
अंदर जाइए बाकी में हो जाए तो
Change in the field. Quick boundaries coming in the deep square leg area. So it
छक्का ही लो।
the player sent back to the boundary. Again a single at long on area. So over completes with 8 runs. 12 runs.
80
78 after 8 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Next bowler, dead ball. Mithilesh Sharma.
नो बॉल का छक्का मारना है विकास।
It's a no ball.
अरे अंधी तू कर लेने वो उधर लड़का
Wide ball.
3 रन आगे फ्री के दो।
This time a 6 from Vikas Singh. Mithilesh Sharma has gone for a 6 on the very first ball.
इस साइड इधर की छोटी बाउंड्री लग रही है ना।
Vikas Singh enjoying his batting out there.
चलो दोबारा करते हैं
प्लेयर तो पूरे हो गए
So 86 runs.
डबल बैटिंग करेंगे ना फिर 7 आउट हो गए तो क्या कर सकते
6 runs
बैटिंग।
after 8.1
बैटिंग
over.
होगी ना।
Mithilesh Sharma, lucky.
हैं। भाई इनकी किस्मत अच्छी है।
Square
इनकी
leg
कैच होंगी
fielder
आज
had
होगी तो भी
been
नहीं
sent back at the deep square leg area. Otherwise, it would have been an easy catch.
वो आते थे वो 1 2 हर एक
एक हो गया रहता
An easy single in the points
है।
region
उसका संजय वन का
for Rinku
कोई
Sharma.
होगा कि मैं लाऊंगा एक
अरे ट्रिपल करो।
No, there was call for a double, but
देखा करो हाँ इसकी सर कैसा आओ कैसे उसके बाद बोला
good shot.
वो कहाँ है वो क्या नाम उसका
This time towards
अनिल जी अनिल कौन से
deep point area and misfield, and it has gone for a quick double.
अरे वो प्रोफेसर
राबाजी सोचते मेरा एज फैक्टर है मैं नहीं आता।
Easy single.
अपना सामान लेके आते हैं
राबाजी सोचते मेरा एज फैक्टर है मैं नहीं आता।
Daljit Singh
बताइए कल कुछ आ रहा था
back in attack.
ग्रैंड मार्क्स
Easy single this time to Rinku Sharma.
अब जो लोग
United 11 at 93 runs after 9.1 over for the loss of 2 wickets.
सारी
Wanted to
बोली
hit
ऐसी आ रही है
for a
अब क्या
boundary.
फिर भी यार
Again a deep square leg, but completely missed this time.
खेलता तो क्रॉस ही है।
Nonetheless, a single, easy single for Vikas Singh. Rinku Sharma on strike. Again, same ball, same fate. Another boundary at deep square leg for Rinku Sharma this time.
मार देगा
Rinku has reached 45 runs after facing 28 deliveries with the help of 5 boundaries and 1 6. Fourth ball of the over. An easy single this time at points area.
ये तो बड़े अट्ठे कट्टे पकड़ के लाया था यार मैं उसका बॉलिंग बॉलिंग
46
अच्छी हो
for Rinku Sharma, 98 runs for United 11. 10th over running.
कितना 97
Very easy ball, very slow ball,
बॉल को भी सिर्फ ये
very slow ball.
भाई
Not
हर
reaching the
क्रॉस क्यों खेल रहा है हर बॉल
batsman.
को
Last ball of the over from Daljit Singh. We have to see whether United can complete 100 runs. Yes, United 11 Dwarka completes 100 runs after 10 overs
10 ओवर हो गए
for the loss of 2 wickets. Mithilesh Sharma
मार गए
back on strike. Good ball this time. Only a single.
ये बिठा दे चौथा तक का
And again Rinku Sharma plays it towards between deep mid wicket and deep mid wicket area for a boundary. Another boundary for Rinku Sharma and he completes 50 runs. Another half century for Rinku Sharma in just 30 balls. Mithilesh continuing his over, fourth ball, and this time good fielding, but a misfield at the same time. Gives a double to Rinku Sharma and Team United 11. Good ball, straight outside off. The batsman couldn't reach the ball.
उनके साथ खेलने में मजा आता है.
Good
डबल
defensive shot this time from Rinku Sharma for a quick single.
रिंकू को सेंचुरी तो बन जाएगी. रिंकू भी आज ऐसे ही खेलता रहा.
Vikasing on strike, facing Mithilesh's last ball of the over.
दो हो जाएंगे.
And a quick single in the from deep mid wicket
पानी
area.
है ही नहीं ग्राउंड में यार. काम
तुमने बना लिया
Good shot this time again between deep wicket and deep square leg for another boundary.
क्रॉस खेलेगा मारो.
This time for Rinku Sharma.
है भाई कितना बिल ठोक दे 24 दिन का
29 runs of 19 balls.
4 लाख का
कौन सा हॉस्पिटल का अभी तो कम कर दिया ना रेट हरियाणा में भी कर दिया
Another good shot this time straight to field bowler. Well, he was not interested at all to take that ball. Easy single for Vikasing. Rinku Sharma
में रहे गुड़गांव में रहे धोनी गुड़गांव में रहे
getting a quick single.
ये सदर बाजार के पास
धोनी क्या हाल है भाई
बढ़िया भैया आप बताओ.
Diljit is very quick in bowling
घूम जाता है ये
his over, but this time
वाइड
wide.
नहीं दी क्या?
Wide.
क्या स्कोर हो गया?
115 runs in 11.3 overs.
ठीक है 10 रन चल गए.
Another
अरे मार ले.
shot attempted,
घूम पहले जाता है
but no harm.
ये
Either
तो
to
जरा पेस
ball
से
or
आप
to
की
the
पेस आ नहीं
bat.
रही उस वजह से.
हाथों से इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहा बॉडी घुमा रहा है
An easy single
ना खेली जाती है
ऑफ किया ही
to long
नहीं
off.
ज्यादा.
मेरा खेल रहा था सही
Mid off area.
गेम खराब कर दिया बॉल बोल के
22 बॉल पे 36.
31.
वो सही मार रहा था लेग में सारी बॉलों को लेग में मार रहा था बोले तू हारी के ऊपर खेल रहा है
Single
वो बेचारा
to Rinku Sharma.
भाग लो.
देख आगे आ गया जाओ
Mithilesh Sharma bowling his third over. Good ball this time.
सही हो गया बिली भाई की बैटिंग आने वाली
Complete
है
miss for Rinku Sharma. Both these Sharmas facing each other, and
द्वारका में
Single this time.
क्या 0 से 200 फ्री?
नहीं
यूनिट आए. 200 तक फ्री है उसके बाद 400.
This time bounded towards third man area.
रुपए ले रहे हैं.
There was a thick edge from Vikas's bat.
कमर्शियल का है सबसे महंगी वाली 8.5 रुपए
A boundary coming almost every over.
की कैसे ले रहे हैं
United 11 Dwarka has reached 123 runs after 12.4 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. This time, good shot
अरे भाग लो
at team mid wicket area,
अरे रन भाग लो.
but only a single. Rinku Sharma not interested in taking the double. Good save there at
ढीले पड़ गए ना 10 ओवर के बाद बैट्समैन.
deep mid wicket by Captain Diljit Singh. New bowler has been introduced and
अरे मार ले यार इस पे तो.
a single in the fine leg area, short fine leg.
तो टीम ढंग से पूरी ना 13वां
14th. Next ball is Latish.
अभी कैच भी नहीं पकड़ेंगे फील्डर इनकी बैटिंग की वेटिंग कर लो बोल्ड हो तो हो जाए कोई
And this time in the point region, a boundary from Rinku Sharma. 129 runs after 13.2 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Another shot, this time between point and third man for an easy double. Rinku Sharma, sorry, this is 3 runs. Good running between the wicket by Vikas Singh. Great.
बैटिंग बूटिंग
Wide ball this time by Latish.
बॉलर भी नहीं रहा
133 runs. And 32 runs, sorry, after 13.3 overs.
कैच तो कौन करा बेटे
Wide ball this time and a single
मार दे
to Vikas Singh.
बैटिंग आ जाए
134 runs. Half volley and an easy boundary this time in the mid wicket area for Rinku Sharma. Nice shot for a single at point region. United 11 Dwarka completing 14th over with 139 on board for the loss of 2 wickets. Mithilesh Sharma continuing his spell and this time has gone for a boundary. No, it stopped just before the boundary.
बैटिंग
But
तो कर
Vikas Singh
जाओ
completing 3 runs.
दो बॉल तो खेल जाओ उतार देते हैं इसको
Mithilesh Sharma to Vikas Singh, and this time he hits it high straight to the fielder area, but not interested.
वो जान के मैं कह रहा हूँ कैच भी नहीं करेंगे
आउट करवा जान बुझ के विकेट करवा
Total misfield by extra covers area fielder,
है क्या
and it has gone for a boundary. Rinku Sharma playing superb at 71 runs after facing 42 deliveries with the help of 8 boundaries. Another good shot, this time straight to mid wicket fielder for a single.
विकास 50 कितने हुए विकास के
Vikas के लिए 38.
विकास 12 रन चाहिए 50 में
मंदा मत खेलिए
मंदा मत खेलिए मंदा तो खेलता भी नहीं
Again good shot and it's another misfield, another boundary this time for Vikas Singh.
विकास 42 हो गए
United, the team is getting benefited. 152 runs
उतार देंगे फिर दोनों को
in just 15
कह
overs.
दूं भाई रिटायर हो गया आ जा छोड़ दी
Thick edge in the short third man area.
रिंकू एक
Vikas goes
छक्का
for a single after 15 overs. 153 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. Latish continuing his second over. Good ball.
अरे देख के मार गुरुजी
Wide ball. This time quick boundary for Vikas Singh. Vikas Singh has reached 47 runs after facing 33 deliveries. Good shot this time for a 6. Vikas Singh completing his half century in just 34 balls. He has reached 53 runs with the help of 6 boundaries and 2 sixes. Great, well played Vikas Singh. This time towards extra cover area for an easy single. 165 runs after 15.4 overs for the loss of 2 wickets.
टीम में नहीं हो पा रही अच्छे से.
Half volley, and this time should be a 4. No.
तेज खेलो
Good
यार.
save by Hani this time.
कितने
Extra
तेज खेले भाई, एक
cover
ओवर में
fielder.
छक्का और 2
अच्छा छक्के थोड़ी
Big double for Rinku Sharma.
बोलोगे कम से कम 20 रन तो पर ओवर आने चाहिए.
Has gone up to 78 runs after facing 45 deliveries.
170 हो गए.
167 runs after 15.5 overs. Last ball of the over. Half volley again, and this time it should be a 4. Yes, it's a boundary. Rinku Sharma has reached 82 runs. United 11 has reached 171 runs
भाई.
after 16 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Great going. Quick single in the short extra cover area. Kuljit continuing his second over.
अरे दे दे.
It was almost bowled, but lucky Rinku Sharma. And this time should be wide.
बच गया ना ये कब से खेल रहा है.
This time an easy boundary in the deep square leg area. Rinku Sharma has reached 86 runs with the help of this boundary after facing 49 deliveries. Another boundary between deep mid wicket and deep square leg. Rinku Sharma has reached 90 runs after facing 50 deliveries. So this could be another milestone in the kitty of Rinku Sharma. Just 10 runs short of his century. This time played with a soft hand in the point area for a single. United 11 at 181 runs after 17 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Daljit Singh, captain CB Royals, back on strike, and easy single, should be double at it was a misfield, and Rinku Sharma completing 3 runs, and easy 3 runs for Rinku. He has reached 94 runs. Vikas Singh playing at 55 after facing 36 deliveries, and this time again deep square leg. Good shot at deep square leg, but good fielding. He will get a single. 185 runs after 18.2. This time it should be wide. It was a no ball, but given wide by the umpire. And 86 runs after 17.2 overs. Another shot in the deep square leg area, but another good save by Mithilesh Sharma. Fielding brilliantly for CB Royals. Vikas Singh 57, and this time it should be a boundary. Yes, couldn't reach on time, and Vikas Singh getting another boundary, completing 60 runs in just 38 deliveries. United 11 at 191 runs after 17.4 overs. Another good shot, this time long on area for a quick single. Rinku Sharma at 95 runs would be facing last delivery of Daljit Singh. 18th over, and there is a big shout for leg big 4, but ball was going down the line, down the leg side, so he's safe. Anish, the ace bowler. Good ball. Vikas Singh on strike at 61 runs after facing 40 deliveries. And it has gone very high this time in the deep mid wicket area, but good save by the mid wicket fielder. Vikas Singh getting out, giving chance to his fellow batsman Joginder Singh Gulia, and another explosive batsman. Vikas Singh, good explosive batsman, has played very brilliant inning of 61 runs after facing 41 deliveries. Another quick Rinku Sharma getting out for an individual score of 95 runs after facing 54 deliveries with the help of 12 boundaries and 1 6. Well played, Rinku Sharma. United 11 Dwarka and 192 runs after 18.3 overs for the loss of 4 wickets. There were 2 quick wickets in this succession in this over, one after another in second and third ball consecutively. Raja Rohilla on strike, the new batsman. He's very slow in the initial phase of the match, his inning. Let's see, only 9 balls remaining.
ये लो सर,
Good
ले लो ऐसे ऊपर से छिल के खा लो,
bound,
अंदर में कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
single for towards the third man area. Now Joginder Singh is on strike, an explosive batsman, yet another explosive batsman for United 11 Dwarka.
और सीधा मुंह के अंदर।
Facing fifth delivery of Anish.
दो है
Again this time it's in the, it should have been double, but Raja Bhaiya is very slow, as I said in the initial stage of his innings. Last ball of the over. Over completing with just 2 or 3 runs, 194 runs after 19 overs for the loss of 4 wickets. Last over of the innings. Good shot by Joginder Singh. Should have been a quick double. Yes, it is a double. Raja Rohilla not wanting to go back on non-strike area, but Joginder Singh forced him. Joginder Gulia forced him. Sorry.
उनके लाइन में नहीं आता, दिक्कत ये है।
Wide ball this time.
कितना स्कोर 200 हो गया?
5 balls remaining of the inning, and out soft dismissal. Third ball of the over.
चार है।
An easy single for Raja.
नाम पे डाल दो उनका।
Good shot this time, Joginder Gulia, known at long on area for a quick single.
हाइट देख कितनी सुंदर है।
Raja Rohilla straight to long off
Rounded up.
area. 200 for United 11 Dwarka after 19.5 overs. Last ball of the inning. It should be no run. So United 11 Dwarka's innings comes to an end for 200 runs after 20 overs
क्या पसीने हैं पैरों में से?
for the loss of 5 wickets.
इतने पसीने?
Thank you for watching.